Yo guys, welcome back to the video. In today's video, we'll be talking about the first cyclone of the 2021 and 2022 cyclone season. Now, um, it's 1S Tropical Cyclone Paddy. Now, it did, get diagnosed as a depression, not as a depression, as an invest. And it was a depression, did deliver some torrential downpours to Christmas Island, and then obviously it formed, I think last night or early on today, as it heads towards the south, and then the south, and then east again. So it heads south, so it goes on that northerly trajectory, and then like that basically. So yeah, like that basically. This is going to be a short-lived tropical cyclone. Still glowing at some good convection, satellite imagery. I will show you satellite imagery. This is what it actually looks like on satellite. It looks kind of good, you know. Man, it doesn't look as good as it did earlier on today, I have to admit. You do have, um, you do have, some wind shear that, that is tearing along the the wind shear. But yeah, it's tearing along the wind shear, and basically, you got this break in the jet stream from over here, which is still producing that wind shear. But you see here, this is Christmas Island over here. This tiny little speck there. If you can see it, this tiny little speck here is Christmas Island. Now, Christmas Island, this is gonna get hit this year. Well, got hit last year anyway. Got hit real good here last year, so yeah, wind shear. It's still destabilizing, but I will show you the model forecasts, and I will show you the NHC, because there is apparently a system that does meant to come on. There is a system that is meant to form over here. Now, however it does form, I don't know when it's going to move south and form over here. We don't really know, but there is some systems that do try and form over here and over here. So yeah, where the typical average stuff is, I'm going to show you the what do you call it? The forecast models for paddy. This is paddy. I think it's paddy. No, this one's not paddy. Okay. So GFS for paddy. Right. For paddy, this one is paddy. So you can see the wind shear a little bit on it, as you can see. There's stronger bit here. But Yeah, as you can see, it does get a bit stronger. Cyclone Paddy during the night, gets that convection over the center, and then dies off early tomorrow morning. Starts to die off due to the very strong. Very strong wind shear. Then it starts to reform back again with its center location, and then weakens again. Now, whether it's gonna reform, we're not quite sure because it's meant to get to 1,002 millibars. But yeah, it just goes south. Basically, becomes a depression, and then apparently a new system forms and actually gets to 986, which is category 1 status in the US and UK, and tropical storm status in the UK. So yeah. Anyway, guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. Show you all the model runs and all that. So with of Cyclone Paddy. So yeah. Anyway, hope you guys enjoy the video. Please try and get me up to 50 subscribers. I was so close to getting there. And then obviously I lost subscribers, haven't I? So yeah. Anyway, peace. I'll love 50 subscribers by Christmas this year, maybe even 60. I'm not quite sure. So yeah. Anyway, hope you guys enjoy my video and see you tomorrow. Peace out.